this man never come back at this time? Sit down. Oh.
Work today.
If you don't even finish it, drop your bag, then collect this ring. I want me to begin marry ourselves today. Take.
Mommy go engage you, no be you go engage me now.
Family relationship. How many years ago knock me before you go begin marry me? I mean, you never tired of the knock me.
Just 7 years now.
Collect this man. I said collect this thing, begin marry me, lawyer. Put up for your hand. Put up for your hand as I dey talk now. If anybody asks, tell us they don't marry today. Tell us that you be married man. I make a lot of see for with any woman for outside there. They hear me so. Or your clan bed. You see, I don't arrange myself for you for today. Make this marriage begin today. Clan bed, make you forgive me this. I say clan bed, make you forgive me this. No, move. Oh,